Hey sweets, welcome back to the channel, y'all. I hope you guys are doing all right. We are here with a unit from Sangtok Hair. Yes, they sent me this beautiful braided unit to review, and we gonna see what we are working with, y'all. Yes, I'm excited about this little wig. So they give you some little jewels for your unit. They also give you some for them edges. Lay them edges down. They give you an edge brush, give you a wig cap, and they also give you these lashes, period. I'm going to have to use them lashes. Yes. So here is our beautiful unit. Yes, she is a 1B. And this is their 36-inch triangle part box braid lace wig. It says that she comes pre-plucked with baby hairs, period. So we're going to see what she is giving y'all. I really like that design at the top. I think that is really, really pretty. Yes. So here is the inside of the cap, and the cap is very stretchy. And we do have two combs up at the top. We also have a comb in the back. And they also gave us a band, which is great. You can adjust it. Yes. And you can also take it off if you like. Okay. Period. Poo. Yes. Loving that. You also get a little bit of lace in the back. So if you want to wear it up in a ponytail or something like that, you have that option. Again, she is 36 inches, so she is very long. Here is the top of the unit. Very, very pretty. As you can see, that triangle design. And this lace blends very good with my skin. She looks very, very nice against my skin tone. Yes, period. I can't wait to get this beauty on. So I'm going to use some of my Ebon tint spray. And all of this will be linked in the description box I can't even talk if you want to go pick some of this up. I'm just going to go ahead and tint as much of this as I can. And I'm going to let this dry. Yes, yes, yes. Still going ahead and tinting stuff. Period. I missed that spot. So I'm going to go back and get that one spot. So we are going to hop to the install. Yes. So now we are going to get to the install. And if you're curious about my bonnet, this is from my Temu haul. I will link that video in the description box. Go over there. You can get 30% off. All the links will be in the description if you want to go cop that bonnet. Period. And so I was just trying to figure out if I want to take it off or if I wanted to make it tighter. So I'm going to make it tighter because it says that you can wear this wig glueless, but I want to see first how everything is laying and see if I can definitely wear her glueless. So we are just going to put her on and see what we are working with. So now that I got her on, I'm just going to adjust this on my head so it fits properly. And you can see that design looks very, very pretty. I'm loving that. It looks really, really pretty. I'm just looking at those baby hairs and trying to figure out what I want to do. They are super long, so I'm definitely going to cut them down. Yes, this is so pretty. And I was trying to see if you can wear her up, and you can wear her up, but I think I'm just going to put everything back so I can kind of work and start getting ready for the install and cutting off this lace, etc. So I'm going to pull those baby hairs back, and I was noticing as I was pulling the baby hairs back that once I cut that lace off, that line of demarcation is a little bit thick. So I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to hide that. But we'll figure that part out later. I'm going to get started with cutting this lace off, moving them baby hairs out of the way so I can cut it as tight as I can. right, now that we didn't cut that lace off, and it was lifting up, and I'm like, yeah, no, I can't have that. So I'm definitely not going to wear this unit glueless. I'm going to go ahead and spray it down just to make sure that it's adhered to my head and that it's not going to be going anywhere and that it's not looking crazy, okay, period. So I'm just going in, putting some of my wig glue spray in there and spraying it down. And as you can see here in the front, I'm pulling those baby hairs because I don't want that hair to be rolling up. I'm trying to get that to lay down as flat as I can. So I'm just pulling those baby hairs and making sure that everything is kind of laying flat and that it's going to not give that whole line of demarcation when I just have these baby hairs and have the wig on. That's just not hot. That ain't the look that we going for, y'all. That ain't the look that we going for. No, no, no. So I was just using my blow dryer, blowing everything down. And then now I'm going to take my foundation and I'm going to go through and try to hide some of those knots a little bit further, just to make sure that you don't see them as much. So it's looking okay. It could look a little bit better, but I'm going to go in and cut these baby hairs down. Oh, if you watch my channel, I am not a baby hair girl, and I hate when I have to swoop de doop, okay? I am not good at doing them baby hairs, and when I got to do baby hairs, I'm just like, ugh. I'm like, I like to push those back and have the option not even to do that. But we did a little something here. I'm just using my blow dryer. And I also use my wig band to kind of hold those down. So now I'm going to figure out how I want to wear this unit. Like I said, you can wear it up, wear it down, but I wasn't for sure how I wanted to do that yet. So the little like swoop over is really, really pretty. And I really like the way that that looks. It looks very pretty, very sexy. So that's what you're seeing me doing here. Right side, left side, just seeing how I can do swoop, swoop. And for those hairs that kind of fall in your face, you can just kind of get some bobby pins or something and kind of make sure that they stay in place. Maybe some nice little black bobby pins to kind of pin them off to the side where people aren't seeing the bobby pins. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Right. Yeah. So I think this look is really, really pretty, really cute. But also you can take some of those and you can wear it up. But I want to see what it looks like wearing it down. Just wearing it down. And the two little braids that are in the front is cute. And you can see that design really well. I think that's really, really pretty. But, you know, I digress and figure out what I want to do. But the updo is really cute too. As you can see here, right side, left part, it's really, really cute. The one thing that I will say is that it's very thin. I wish it had a better density. That way that you can kind of do more with it. So I wish the diamond design was just a little bit smaller. That would just make the wig just super fire if it was, the density was a little bit greater on this wig. But that's just my opinion. You guys leave me some comments below and let me know what you think. But I'm going to turn around and show you the back. And in the back, you can see how thin it is because you can even see my ponytail that I have back there. And that's not the look that I'm trying to go for. You can see the big old hump. So like I said, again, if this wig had a better density on it, you can kind of hide that. I think if I wear this, I'm going to have to just wear my hair flat in the back and not have it like in a little like ponytail or something, so you don't kind of see that. But in all, I think the wig is very pretty. There's a few things, like I said, that I would change about it, but it is something that I will wear again. It reminds me of another wig that I did for Kayless, and I'll put a little card up here and I'll put in the description box below if you want to go check out that review. She was really pretty and she was thick, y'all. Yes. But I digress on that. She's really cute. You guys leave me some comments below and let me know what's up. That is it for this video, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.